Hi Manoj, welcome to the podcast by James. We are here to talk about space-saving smart furniture in general and LCOVE in particular. So tell us more about LCOVE.
So LCOVE is into space-saving furniture. So essentially meaning we produce furniture which is for multiple usages. So as the space is shrinking by the day, the apartment sizes, the room sizes are becoming smaller and smaller. So we need to have a furniture which can give you more options to use the same space. The bed can fold up to become a study table, the bed can fold up to become a sofa, the bed can fold up on the wall to create a space for your yoga, for kids playing around and studying. So those are the things that can be done with the same space.
So what is the product range of LCOVE?
So as regards the product range, we have varied types of products starting from single beds to double beds, manual, electric, Alexa controlled, gesture controlled. So we have range of products. So there are beds which are like single bed with study table for kids, single bed with sofa which can be arranged with a wardrobe or a study table. So there are different combinations, and these are all combinations which are for which can be applied in master bedroom or used in a guest room, in a kids room. So we have wall units which are wall beds with sofa with wardrobes all around and top box storages. So we don't compromise on storage when we talk about wall beds. People think that the space below the bed is being compromised, but that's not the case. We have beds which have top box storages, and so we use every square inch of space on the wall when we design.
What I understand
units.
is that LCOVE has tremendous application in bedrooms and kids' rooms, also in guest rooms. But how do you think it works in living rooms? And do you have some ideas for the living room also?
A very important usage of these products is in the living room. Living room is one of the most common places where the family spends most of its time, and there we have applications which is like sofa cum beds, which are extensively used as a multi-purpose product for families to enjoy time.
Correct.
Then we have coffee tables, which are smart coffee tables, which are lift-up coffee tables, which is good for work from home. We have some very new concepts, which is like coffee tables with sitting couches.
That's
which
amazing.
Is a very new product in the market. It has a multiple option of raising the top bar and top panel and using it as work from home. And so it is a lift-up table, which is generally called as a pop-up table at LCOVE. And then there is a sprout table, which is like center table, which becomes a dining table. So you necessarily don't need to have a dedicated dining space.
Oh, wow.
And you can use the same coffee table as a dining table. And it comes with 4 couch and 4 stools, and it has different combinations. So you can have a floor sitting couch, you can have a stool which or a puffy which has storages. So the center table, which becomes a dining table, expands to become a dining table, and then have 4 couches attached to it. And coupled with the sofa, you can have people 6 to 8 people sitting and eating dinner together or enjoying a breakfast. So it's meant for families. It's meant for families coming closer. It's meant for multiple usage of the space, doing things together, kids playing around. So it helps you, life make your life easy and happy. And similarly, then we have options for dining. So we have folding dining tables. As I just mentioned, it is like one such option is a center table that becomes a dining table. We have folding dining tables on the wall or a slide out dining table. So one new product that we have developed recently is a butterfly table, which is a folding dining table, which comes with an electronic console. So it's a complete dedicated unit which has an electronic console, so you can have your ovens and toasters and electronic items which can be put on top on the shelf. And then you have a folding dining option which can be used for breakfast, which can be used for regular dining. and these are all foldable options. So when you don't use it, want it, you can just fold it away and put it inside a box. So and therefore freeing up the floor space, the dining space. So it helps create more space for you, create more openness for you. A small 2 BHK apartment can also become a very good lavish space to live in with all these foldable items.
That's great. Now tell us more about application of space-saving smart furniture and how one can use it to their advantage.
So as far as the application of these products can be applied in almost all the places where you have conventional furniture. So whether it is a master bedroom or a kid's room or a living room or a guest room. So the beauty of this product is, and the benefit that comes from with this product is that you can use it for multiple usages and multi-purpose. Say for example, you have a guest room which is not occupied all the time. So there you can use a wall bed with plenty of storage and still use it as say a home theater. A kids room, again, one of the best usages of these products are in kids room, where the beds can be rolled up on the wall and you get a study table. And then you have book storages and plenty of space to play around in the room itself. In master bedroom, again, you have master bed which can be folded up on the wall, and then you can create a space to do your own hobby. You have, people have hobby like playing music, dancing, doing yoga at home. So you need to have good space to do all these things. And when you talk about average size of apartments and rooms today, it's like 10 by 12, 10 by 10, 12 by 14, 12 by 10. So these are in these spaces it is very difficult to accommodate a king size bed and wardrobes, and then still have a space for these hobbies. So the beauty of this is to create a space, yet not compromise on the quality, sturdiness, and do whatever you want to do with that space.
Amazing. So what I understand is that LCOVE has a very smart range of multi-purpose convertible furniture. But how do you plan to work in the market? Do you work alone, or you work with interior designers and architects in their projects? How does it work? Can you explain in detail?
Okay, so how do we help interior designers? Interior designers are one of the most important users of our product. We work very closely, we collaborate with them in their projects. Interior designers are always known to be beautifying spaces, adding value to spaces, and we on the back end we help interior designers to create those spaces. So there are we work very closely with interior designers where we contribute to their designs. We help them design spaces which are compact, where they need help to maximize the space and make it for multiple usages. So it's a very close collaboration between interior designers and LCOVE, and we work very closely in terms of defining a new model for that space. We always look forward to helping interior designers with our products in terms of hardware, in terms of complete units. We customize products for them, and also that we help them not only with LCOVE products but also with hardware which are available in the market. We try to help them to create more spaces.
Okay, now that's sorted out. How do you plan to go into the market? Do you want to go retail, or do you have a definite distribution strategy in mind?
The distribution strategy, what we have adopted at LCOVE is to create a retail network of dealers and distributors in all major cities in India. Our primary focus as of now is major cities, metro cities like Delhi, NCR, Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad. And parallelly, we are working on tier 2 cities, which is like Ahmedabad, Nagpur, Bhubaneswar, Lucknow, Chandigarh, Ludhiana, Kolkata. So these are the places where we are setting up our dealer and distributor network, and we are appointing dealers, and we have created different quality of products for different retail outlets. So you have affordable, medium and premium finishes for the same products, and what we are trying to do is to place these products for a better reach in the market. And we look forward to collaborating and working closely with the retail dealers and distributors, wholesalers, for these products to reach to the right customers. These products have traditionally been seen on the Facebook and digital media, but there are very few companies in India which are working with these products, and it's very hard to find them in retail market. So our strategy is to put them in retail and make it accessible for the common man at common prices. So we look forward for this dealer and distributor network, and we are working very hard to create this distribution network, and very soon we'll be having all these products in the retail market.
Well, thank you, Manoj, for your time, and it was great having you here and knowing more about fantastic work that LCOVE is doing in the space-saving smart furniture domain. Wish you all the best, and guys, thank you for listening, and we will keep coming back with some amazing products very soon. Cheers, this is James signing out.